Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. Click on that, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. And if you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. And this is coming from somebody. Here we go. And we have here, especially for you. Sweet love. Ooh, baby. Alright. You can definitely get these with the click down below. And you can check out and see what other best wishes. Alright. Ooh. We got a Oompa. What are these things called? I forgot. Kind of looks like a dog. We got a tumbler. Ooh. Put some bubbly in it, you know. Be alright. You can sip right there. It's a nice glass. Oh, here we go. It says something. To the world's best you. Alright. And we got one of these things. Bath bombs. These always do the trick. So this would be like a nice, maybe gift for somebody. Only you. Only for you. Alright, what are you? Ooh. You get some scented candles. Ooh, this smells good. Aromatherapy kind of smells like Pez. Yeah, don't eat it though. Not candy. Does smell good though. This is definitely vanilla aromatherapy experts. Ooh, sorry about that. Extreme close up. I like this one. This smells more like Pez. Oh yeah. Here we go. We got a hold up your hair. And got a little bowl. Okay. And we got something else. Rose Essential Oil Soap. I got, jeez, fumble. And kind of rose petals in there. Yeah, it does smell like rose. Rose, I don't know, maybe it's alcohol rose. But yeah, that's pretty cool. Nice little gift box. You get some candles, a tumbler, a bath bomb, a Oompa, or what are those things are called? Oompa Loompa. And then you get the soap. And you get the nice little hairnet. So check them out, YouTubers. Links are going to be down below. Be safe. Have a good day. See you soon.